How to create second account and switch accounts in Clash Royale. Open Clash Royale on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now you will land to an interface like this. At the top right corner, you will see a 3-line icon. Click on that. From the menu that appears, click on Supercell ID. Now a dialog box like this will come up. You need to go to settings. That's why click on the setting gear icon at the top left corner. And now you will need to log out from your current account. For that, click on Log Out option. Confirm your decision by clicking on Log Out. Then you will land to the login page. At the very bottom, you will see the option Play without Supercell ID. Click on that. And just like that, a new account has been made. Simply follow the prompts on screen and you will land to this interface. After you are done setting up your name and age, click on the 3-line icon at the top right corner again. From these options, select Supercell ID and now you can register to another Supercell ID or log in to your existing one. That's all for today. Thank you.